Hey everyone! Have you ever received a new conversation request on Threads and wondered how to view it on your Android device? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to view thread requests on your Android device using the Threads app. Threads is a powerful messaging app that allows you to stay connected with your friends and family. By using the request feature, you can easily join new conversations and keep track of important messages. So, let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the heart icon located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your activity. Next, look for the Request tab at the top of the screen. Tap on it to view all the new conversation requests that you have received. From here, you can easily keep track of new conversations that you've been invited to join. If you're interested in joining a conversation, simply tap on the request to accept it and join the thread. The request feature in Threads is particularly useful for groups with many members, as it allows you to join conversations that are relevant to you. You can easily filter out irrelevant conversations and focus on the ones that matter, and that's it. You now know how to view thread requests on your Android device using the Threads app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.